Sanibonani ninjani, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Please make sure that you do watch, ushi comment and uphinde ulike usubscribe kumahala bese ubuka nama adverts noma emabili noma mathathu. Anyway, today we're speaking about the MK party. President Jacob Zuma. The MK party has once again shaken South African politics. Sizokhumbula ukuthi namhlanje ke sivuke nge-reshuffling emengezela Jacob Zuma that his son Duduzane Zuma has been appointed as the party's first deputy president with immediate effect. Abantu abaningi ke bebecabanga ukuthi Duduzane has become the party president, but nope, that's not the case. Uzuma, he's still the party president, but then Duduzane is the deputy. But then the question is, then what happens to Judge President John Hlophe, because he has been the first deputy president with MK. So now we can officially say that former President Judge John Hlophe has been removed from being the first deputy president. However, he's not leaving the party for now. He will continue serving as the MK party parliament and aphinda be leader parliament MK party. Tony Yongenike yena also remains in the leadership, keeping his position as a secondary deputy president. Okusho ukuthi Tony Yongenike yena kahambi. Secretary General Sibonile Nomvalo naye usahlele office even though amandla akhe athe unqindeka kancane. Other changes include Reverend Nkolisi Phakathi ukhona ubamamokelile uphuma kwi-ATM party replace uNkosinet Nhlako as a national chairperson, while uLindiwe Mtshali replaces uNomsa Dlamini as a deputy secretary general. Abaxoshiwe ke labo boNomsa. Political analysts are already asking questions ukuthi whether Duduzane's promotion is simply an organizational decision or hlampe yisign yokuthi Jacob Zuma's long-term successor kuzoba yena yini within the MK party. You know, ama-supporters kaDuduzane ajabulile kanjalo futhi nama-supporters aDuduzile. Sizokhumbula ukuthi ke uDuduzane uyiwele la Duduzile lo basanda kuxoshwa exoshwa Nomvalo kwi-MK party leadership. Abantu ke abalandela uDuduzane Zuma ke bathi ke no, ayikhinkinga ukuthi athathe indodana yakhe ayenze first deputy president because he brings youthful leadership and the fresh face to the party. Ongenzeka ukuthi ke usenga attract even young voters njengoba kuhanjwe njengamanje kuyiwa kuma-elections ngomhla ka-4 November. Ama-critics ke wona i-agreeisha ke appointment Duduzane athi ke it raises questions about nepotism and internal democracy. Bathi ke kungani eqoka ingane yakhe kunokuthi aqoka omunye umuntu. With the local government elections approaching, these changes could significantly influence the MK party ukuthi as izowina noma ngeke iwine yini. So khumbula, but one of the other things that they've mentioned ukuthi why uzomenzele reshuffling is because there's been also an issue with the Secretary General, even though emusha naye uSG Nomvalo. Abantu abaningi bayamblame ukuthi kwangamela aphume lapha eParliament, kwangamela ahlale. Nanokuthi ke waxoshwa uDuduzane Zuma kanye ne-spokesperson abebezwana naso babesho ukuthi no, kangayona i-right decision uNomvalo ayenza leyo because akazange vele futhi consult noJacob Zuma. But ke uJacob Zuma kasho ukuthi mhlawumbe uhlalele indodana yakhe namadodakazi akhe babona ukuthi no, ngaba i-bad decision ubuyisela uDuduzane yo lamawele uDuduzile back, rather athathe lo amfake ngaphakathi still within the home and the house. And also uDuduzane still holds rights ukuthi asayine laphaya, usakwazi ukuthi asayine laphaya. And another thing that has been raised was the fact ukuthi there's a 13 million that has been stolen, of which led to uNhlanhla uNathi Mhleko aqoshwe laphaya ngaphakathi, because there is this thing of ukuhandlishwa kahle kwemali lapha kwi-MK party. So khumbula ukuthi aqala ukulahleka kwemali engaka khathi kuzokhishwa secretary yo SG kamsebe bangakhe there was one, there was another one, then there's this one. So maybe three since ago. So yeah, but every time it goes to SGs because there was some misuse of power. So anyway, we say welcome to Duduzane Zuma as the first deputy president. And yeah, welcome to the party. Please make sure to you subscribe.